All this while is only those who know, or those who are higher level only will consume bird nest. But now we want to make it, everybody deserve it. Something that is a normal in the market, and everybody can take bird nest for good health. I am Abdul Malik Muhammad Rajab, actually the share partners and owners of this company. This is actually a two-family business. On my side, our family, and my partner, Mr. Woon, and his family. His family own a bird's nest farm. Actually, we just opened this company this year, newly opened, and now is the time only for us to really promote into the market. We have a lot, the cuisine in the menu lah. For example, like the double boiled bird's nest with winter melon, our chef will clean up the whole winter melon and then cut up the winter melon on top, cook out the center part. Okay, then we add some dry longan, red dates, goji, berry, peach gum and bird's nest together. Go for 2 hours double boil. Yeah, for winter melon or even coconut, these are all you need to pre-order in advance.